Hello everyone, welcome to MyPlace. In this session, we are going to learn about fetching the CSS values from DOM using JavaScript. In previous session, we have learned about JavaScript development environment setup. The same project is used here. For this session, I have created 3 files: index.html, code.js, styles.css. For time saving purpose, I just copied the template from MyPlace, pasted in index.html. Save. For the time being, I deleted this button. Now there is 2 elements in body. One is div element with id named as div div element, and it has a inline style having text align property with value of center. And one more element is there, input button. It has an event to call the function get background color 1. So I will define this function in code.js. The function defined here, I will declare one variable to store element, and I will fetch the element with the document dot get element by id. Here I will give the element id div id, and using this element will fetch the text align property alert, which is defined inline to element dot style property is there. Using this style property will fetch the CSS property value. The CSS property value will check in index.html. There is a style attribute with the CSS property of text align. Its value is center. So now we need to get this value text align property value using JavaScript. So here we have used style property. Inside this style property, background color, sorry, it's not background color, text align, but text align. Save. I will run the server. npm start. Save. Yes, now this is the element. This is the div element. It occupies full width of the device, because it's a block level element. So for our clarity purpose, I will define one more style here, id. With id selector, div le background color blue. I defined one css style. I defined a css definition inside styles.css. Now see, the div will occupies the full width of the device, the device width from here to here, so it occupies full width. And now I will click this one. I will click this one. Save. Why did we get this one? Div ele. Now we get the value of textile and property, and I will change it to background color. The background CSS property is defined inside the styles.css sectional style sheet, which is external style sheet. But here it is empty, because the style property will get the CSS values which are defined inline to that element, which are defined inside the element. Other styles will not fetch by style property. If we want to fetch the styles which are defined inside, which are defined external to the element, same function definition I copied from there to here, named it as 2. Again here also fetching the element. The fetched element is passed to get computed style sheet method, which is available inside the window object. So not required to use window object, because of it is a global object. See, the get computed style expecting 2 elements. One is mandatory, one is optional. The mandatory one is element, the optional one is pseudo element. String, it's a string type, it's an element type. So I will pass which is fetched here, and the fetched element is stored inside element. That element will pass to get computed style method. Now this method will return CSS style declaration. So where CSS style using these CSS styles. These CSS styles are specific to this element only. So using these CSS styles we can fetch the CSS value, background color. Save. Now here we need to create one more button to call that second function. Save. Now I call, see, we get the value of background, and we can get using the second method we can get the styles inside the element also, inside the styles. Here text align, see, the inline styles also will get here. That means we can get all styles through second method. See, center. That's it.